Hello everyone, welcome back to Birding by Sound with Rachel. Today we're going to talk about the loud, raucous calls of the Clark's nutcracker. The Clark's nutcracker can be recognized by their sharply pointed beaks, pale gray bodies, and striking black and white patterns in their wings and tail. Clark's nutcrackers occur in coniferous forests and mountainous habitats in sections of the western U.S. and southwestern Canada. Clark's nutcrackers do not have a true song, and they are not known for making the most pleasant sounds. Rather, they utter a variety of calls, most of which are loud and grating. Let's have a listen to two other common calls. Let's take one more listen to that before we go. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to share this if you found it interesting. And please let me know in the comments if there are any bird zoo sounds you're curious about.